Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a tiny little Dollar Tree haul. The first thing I got was this ribbon, and it's like organza, but it has a red glittered, kind of like a poinsettia flower on there, but it's white, so I figured this would be good for shakers and stuff. So, you know, just a tiny little bit of red, like if you don't work with a lot of red for Christmas. Oh. And they had some other ones. I'll insert some photos. And then also, this is new to me. It is faux snow, but this is tiny. They had 3 different sizes. So I picked up the tiniest one. As you can see, look at, they're seed bead size. I do have the bigger ones, but I think these will be perfect for all of those snow globe shaker dies and any other shaker with like you need a tinier ball and you don't have to use super thick foam. This is perfect for that. And then I got this, which just has the cute little candy cane little topper, red candy cane lid. I only got one because I was like, you know what, I don't have a lot of Christmas. I could probably put the faux snow in there when I'm done. So here's just like that foam squishy stuff for kids. You could reuse the packaging though, shaped like pumpkins and ghosties for Halloween. Here's some bottle tree Christmas ones in pink and like a bluish color. Pom-poms, I feel like they have these every year though. They had tiny little Christmas trees in white, gold, silver, and green. So if you do like shadow boxes, and then they had the lids that had blue snowflakes as well. Here's the snow tool in blue, white, and green. And then they also just had like regular gold, silver, and red tool. And then they also had, here's the 3 different sizes of the faux snow. I was like trying to hold it up and see if there was more than the sizes that there were. This is like a white with a glittery blue snowflake and then red with a silver snowflake. And there's the one that I got, the red one. Next is from Secret Stash Bash or Bash Stash. I forgot which one it is. But she's on Instagram and I finally was able to snag some goodies because I always catch the tail end and everything sold out. So it came in these cute little bags, perfect for Halloween. The first thing I got 3 different sets of these little spider webs, and they are right here. My kids were going through my stuff. Look how cute. They're like a translucent white spider web, and it does have a little hole at the top to make this a dangle or a double dangle because there's another hole. I figured these would be cute for like layering and embellishing with, or even on like a rosette. See, super cute. They're like a plasticky, rubbery feeling, and the black ones were sold out. And then she sent me some of these. Oh my gosh, thank you, girly. Look how cute these little hearts are. I think these were sold out the last sale she had. But look at the cute little bats and the ghosties. These are perfect for Frank Garcia's Prima 31. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then I bought these guys. These are little beads, and they have the Scream mat. Oh, I think these are wood. Yeah, these totally are wood beads. Little Scream mask guy on there. Spooky beads. And then I got these ones. I figured I don't have anything white. So look at it, little jack-o'-lantern with a white face instead of like, you know, orange or black. Well, thank you. Oh, and then I got these guys. These are super sparkly and pretty. They're little flat back, super geometric bows, almost like a geostone. Very, very pretty. And then I bought these guys. Look at these cute little spoons. I know they have them on Ally and stuff, but I didn't want 1,000,000 of them, and I didn't need 1,000,000, so 10 is just the perfect amount that I needed for projects. And then this guy, oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Thank you, girly. It's a little like full-blown acrylic shaker with like little white hearts, a little ghosty with a big bow on her head. As a little thank you. Thank you, girly. All right, that is everything from my haul, and I will catch you. Oh, and look how cute these little like flat back, I don't even know, iridescent appliques are for Halloween. Okay, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.